Good morning. Gonna do a get ready with me. I'm gonna post the video first about the product, and then I'll post the get ready with me afterwards today. This is from QVC. This is the Kristofer Buckle's Vanity Collection, and it comes in a big box like this, and it comes with, excuse me, foundation, setting spray, eyeliner, lipstick, and mascara, and we're gonna give it all a shot. I already have on my sunscreen, my Veil Sunset Light Primer with my Algenist green color correcting drops, so we wouldn't have to wait for all that. And I'll do the brows after I do my foundation. So this is a stick foundation, and even he says on the site, use it any way you want. Blend it with your fingers, a brush, beauty blender, however. I picked up the shade Tan, and let's see how this goes. I do have this mirror on. Oh boy, that might be a little dark for me. Oh boy. Well, let's see what happens when we blend her out. Should have got a brush, huh? I have most of my brushes upstairs to be washed. It Cosmetics brush. I never know if I should go with medium or tan shades. That's the hardest thing with foundations. Because medium is sometimes too light, tan is sometimes too dark. This isn't bad though. Blends really nice. If my shoulder's all red, I had my I have lidocaine patches for my shoulders and my back. I stopped with it on. Let's see if it'll cover the red on my chest. Yeah, it does. Sorry if you hear Lola barking outside. She's a talker. Hi, because she's a girl. I mean, not bad. And the brush feels dry. So the brush isn't really picking up any product, which is good. I did pop up a bunch of videos last night. Okay. Well, the foundation's nice. Maybe I should pick up medium. But it's summer. Why not? My eye. Alright, well that sets real quick. Let's throw on some brows. I've been using the Brow Gal. Loving this one. Okay, remember, I'm not used to doing get ready with me's because I'm not used to talking while I'm getting ready. It's probably about 7:45 right now. I do want to show you guys, I brought my phone down, the picture of my mom's surgery from the little cancer spot she had taken away. If you're freaked out by stitches, you know, just turn away for a second. I won't hold it up long. It's nothing gross though. But she had it a week ago. Today she had it done. And luckily they got it all on the first shot. So that was very exciting. But it was like right here on her cheek, so how deep can you really go? You don't have much space there. Oh, I'm missing some spots here. I don't know what she is barking at out there today. I saw the turkeys yesterday. There was 2 mamas and probably about 10 babies. Oh my god, the babies are just like, all I can see is their little heads going through the grass. They're so cute. Okay. foundation sets quickly. I'm just going to show you the picture of my mom real quick. If this doesn't scare you into sun care, I don't know what will. Because even after I saw it, I was like, oh my. I like slather it on now. I'm using that Neutrogena, the 110. Where is it? I can't see. I have my glasses on my head. Okay, ready? This is kind of like set back a little bit. And there. So this is the tiny little spot. And then she has that many stitches. So her little spots from here now to here. So wear your sunscreen. Excuse me, because I know I am. I am freaked out now. I've already done a ton of damage back in the day, and I really don't want any more. Okay, so that was the Kristofer Buckle Foundation in Tan. What else we got here? I'm going to try out this Icon palette, the Absolute, that I picked up the other day. Let's see, I'm going to need probably a white, any brush here. I'm going to go kind of neutral, yeah. Milk eyeshadow pencil. It's always good just to put a little base down. Even though I have the foundation as a base, the white makes colors pop. Yes. Okay. I'm going to go on one of these two shades. Maybe both. Make sure you can see me. This is pretty. Nice. It's a light color. If my camera dies on me this time, I would be so mad. Last time it was right while I was at the end. Okay, so just, you know, kind of brightens it up. There's no mattes in this palette. So, we are going to, where is my, oh, don't tell me all my blend up brushes. I borrowed my brushes upstairs to wash them last night. Like this one, I left the blend it one down here. Oh no. Okay, well, we're going to use Delium then. Delium 783. Little blending brush. These are my Dose of Colors and Velvet 59 shadows. I'm just going to go into the mauves just to put something in the crease here. Can you see that? Yes. I should probably, which color did I just go into? Oh, I'm in the wrong color. I'm using the Dose of Colors one. Kind of medium shade. Okay. I'm just going to go into one of the lighter shades here for brow bone. Nothing crazy, just a simple look today. Got to get to work. Up there. Blush. Gonna go in with the Feather River body in, oh my god, what to say, mauve something, Mauve Delight. It's in this palette here. This one I have to remember of barely touch it. It is pigmented. I also use her highlighters too while I got it open. Okay. Brows. lashes. Like I said, I just do one quick squeeze. Let's do some tight lining. I think my Marc Jacobs is at the, yeah, it's at the end. I don't know if I can't get it out. Okay. Well, the Marc Jacobs is dead. Another one. It's probably my 4th mini. What else do I have in here? I do have the Marc Jacobs. It's like a micro liner. Real fine tip there. You can just get it right in. This is perfect for the upper lash line. Nice, done. Okay. Waterline, I'm going to do my good old standby. My Lancome Azure. I don't know if you can see me putting this on. Nope. Sorry. Yeah, pull this mirror. I have so much stuff in front of me. Eyeliner. Okay, let's try out the Kristofer Buckle Mascara. That's the wand. Let's see what we got here. Is it a flat brush? Interesting. See, if I try to do that in the lens over there, I know it'll poke my eye out. Nice. I only have 8,000 mirrors. You think I'd bring a small one down here? I probably could use it from the palette. That's a nice mascara. Very cool. They also have a double-ended liner. So this side's black and it's a felt tip. And then they do give you, this side has a corrector. So you girls who are doing the wings, you could probably do a little cleanup. I don't do a lot of liquid liner, but let's give it a shot here. I need something with, I need a mirror closer to me. I think this one has a mirror, yeah. This is the Senna Rose Quartz, the one I'm obsessed with. Alright. Put my elbow somewhere here. Can you see me? Yes. Lays down nice. The only time I use a lot of liquid liner is if I do lashes, which I've been a bad girl and haven't worn lashes in ages. Obviously then I put a little liquid liner to cover the band. Usually I can get the band done pretty good though. Nice. This set was somewhere around $60, you want to say? Highlighter. What are we going to do today? Ooh. Should we go pink or purple? I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to go pink. This is the Feather River Body Pink Mist. Gives you a nice glow. This is a great brand. I'm loving her shadows. Everything is so nice. Am I blinding you? I don't care if I have 600 pounds of highlight on. People at work are used to it by now. Excuse me. Put that up here. Does it blind? Is it going to blind you in the back? No. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh, God, my throat is killing me. This also came with a setting spray. It reminds me of a paint can. So you shake it up. Let's give it a shot. Okay, wait a minute. Smells nice. Has like a clean, fresh scent. First I couldn't figure out what it was, but it's just clean and fresh. And lipstick. Cute packaging. What do we got here? It's called Bardot. And if I have foundation all over my lips. Nice nude. Like a mauve nude. My glasses. I don't know what she's barking at. This almost feels like a lip balm. But you can see it has color. Okay. But if you watch, I'll post the first video when I get back. What to say I'm up to? 17 minutes. I'll do some blue in the inner corner with my favorite baby bat. We have a second. I've been using the NYX Faux White pencils. This is a blue one. And I actually need to sharpen this because it's getting pretty low here. There's my brush. I need a pointy brush. Are you kidding me? Okay. Delium Tools. 716. It's the blue that's in this Dreamcatcher highlighter. So I have to literally get the brush into these little corners of where it's just blue. I like this Fun Pop of Blue though. And I can't dupe this blue in my collection. I've tried. So strange. It's a great shade, but I don't know why I can't dupe it. You know me, I can dupe just about anything. There we go. A little pop of blue. Okay, so that's probably my second get ready with me, I think, if I've done that many. But this is the Kristofer Buckle Collection. Let's see how it wears today. And I'll leave it in the comments below, or I'll shoot another video when I come home about something and let you know how it all worked out. All right, everyone have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.